Just behind the front line, near Bakhmut, this is a Ukrainian artillery unit's daily routine. First, reloading their missile launcher, a 50-year-old Soviet Grad B-21 that is a tried and trusted killing machine. Ukraine's autumn mud has slowed down generations of armies. Mobile warfare will be easier when it freezes over. The Russians saw them coming.
Incoming.
Memories of peace are receding, pushed away by the debilitating routines of war.
I was woken up at 4:20 a.m. February 24th. Since then, I am fighting. I don't feel this counter-offensive is somehow special. It's the same as in the beginning. Of course, everyone is scared, but we overcome our fear and go fight. There was shelling. Nothing dramatic. We escaped the shelling. Our old lady helped us. We escaped. I don't feel the difference.